So like,
What the f is that noise?
who is
my bad.
typing in my ear?
I'm eating chicken. My bad.
That's
Fat ass.
Bro,
What type of
oh,
chicken is
that
that?
is super.
Bro got some bubble chicken. They got some bubble wrap shit. Yeah.
That shit.
Bro, that shit was.
That sound real.
Bro is still frying the chicken. That's why he eating that bitch while it's frying. That shit's still.
That sound real hard. Ari.
Hold on. It's that chicken that you buy at Walmart that comes in the bag. The rotisserie chicken.
Oh, okay. That like make a minute out of shit.
He eating it while it's still
I almost called you something, Status. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, I'm telling you, he's still frying that bitch and taking a bite and refry it right quick.